Hi guys, I'm Madhushree and I'm back with all of you guys and you are watching Madhushree's Creation. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful clean girl makeup look which is trending right now. And sorry for the late because I am going through a lot of things these days. My mom is not well, my grandmom is not well. She is in nursing home right now when I'm filming this video, and we are not mentally stable right now. I hope you guys can understand my situation because you guys are my extended family members and I love to talk to you guys. एंड यस तो आज मैं सोची कि बहुत टाइम हो गया है, मैंने ब्रेक लिया था यूट्यूब से एंड नाउ आई शुड सिट डाउन एंड टॉक टू यू गाइज अबाउट दिस एंड आई शुड makeup tutorial like this which will help you guys because summer is here in Kolkata and it's scorching heat right now. And you guys can see literally I'm sweating because fan on करूँगी तो आवाज़ आएगा, वो अच्छा नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रक्शन की नॉइज आ रही है बगल में से. Without doing any further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, I completely forgot to tell you that the background music you're gonna hear is played by an amazing talented artist called Dipaluk Bishash, and I'm gonna link his YouTube channel and Instagram ID in the description box below guys so that you guys can check it out. And he's an amazing artist, amazing sitar player. You guys need to listen his music because he is just amazing. So I cannot emphasize a lot about him because he literally spread positivity through his music and I just love his music. And the thing is, whenever you will feel low or sad or something like that, just go and listen to his music and you are gonna be fine, I promise. That good he is. So yeah, now enjoy. then please give it a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below what other videos you want me to do. And के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, लॉट्स ऑफ लव, ध्यान रखना एंड कमेंट करके बताना कैसी लग रही हो.